Got it here, gotta be this smallest double burner camping stove in this kind of design. Check this out. It's pretty small. It opens up like that, so you can land the pot over here and over here. That's really genius. Also, it has plenty of space to have the gas very safe. Looks like one of those camping canisters. Looks like there's two burners. We want to make sure they're closed. And do they automatically light up? No, we'll need a lighter. So just to show you again, look how easy it is. Packs away. And look how skinny it is. It comes with a holder. Beautiful. It locks in all the way in. So what we'll do is plug it into the gas, light it up, and see how it burns in the dark, and then we're going to do the boiling test. Okay, we'll need one of these gas canisters, and all we have to do is just screw it on like this, and then we're gonna put it as far as possible. Okay, then what we're going to do is just spin this. It takes a while. Okay, it's on, it works. And then same thing on this one. It adjusts really nice and slow. I like that. So this is what it looks like whenever we go in the dark. This is the flames, highly adjustable. Look at that, this is on maximum. Wow, this is a really big flames. Very nice. Let's shut it off. One of them. You see how it adjusts really slowly. I like it. So you can have it one more, one less, like one cook it, one simmer it. Beautiful. And gas is plenty far away, so we don't have to worry about overheating the actual canister. And it's for the big pots, as you can see. Wanna turn it off all the way down. Boom. And wait till it cools off. This thing is beautiful. Double burner, the smallest that I ever seen. Okay, boil test. Full pot of water, a really big one. Let's see how well it's gonna sit on this tripod. Nice. And we're gonna start it. Beautiful. Check this out. And we can run another pot if we have to. But right now we're just gonna run just one of them. It's boiling it. I mean, it's warming it, that's for sure. And if you need to cook a big pot, look at that. It will stand on it so well. Wow, with that tripod. We're only gonna do the boil test on this one. Chances are most people will not be using this big pot. But this is nice that it fits so well. Look at that. It's looking really good. And again, don't have to worry about this gas overheating. It stands far enough. 2.5 minutes, check. Starting to boil. This is also really nice pots as well. With the different type of pots, like cooking pots, not camping pots, might take a lot longer. So make sure you get yourself a really nice camping pot, because you see there is a heat catcher on the bottom of it. Makes this stove boil water even faster. Okay, 4 minutes and it's a full boil. Whoa, it's boiling violently. So yeah, 3.5 minutes to 4 minutes, depends how big is your pot and depends of the weather. Summertime probably will be faster, winter time will be a little bit slower. So this is amazing stove. Just gonna put it away, put it in a holster. It's definitely the smallest for big pots double burner stove. So I got it here, another crazy light bulb over here with 5 different panels that you can actually adjust. So I showed you before like 3 panels long time ago. This is very bright. Then recently I showed you the 4 panels. Well, guess what, for some people this is might be not enough, so they have made 5 panels of light. And you know what I just noticed? It's actually 6. There is also one more that pointing it down. This one doesn't have a middle one. This one doesn't have it either. So whenever you fold these ones to the side, usually you would not have as much light down, but now you have down as well. Wow, what a big difference. 2 extra panels versus the 4 ones. And as you can see, it's designed, seems to be like a heat resistant plates. Anyways, let's go plug it in the dark and see what it looks like. This is pretty amazing. So let's take off this light bulb. As you can see, it's pretty dark. We have one light bulb over there, so that way camera doesn't overexpose too much. Let's plug in this light bulb. This is a really big light bulb. Whoa, that's bright. Okay, and then we can use these flaps to make everything bright around us, like a lantern, but still have a brightness from this below light bulb. So you can really fold it like that and have it everywhere. If you really want to focus more brightness down, you can flap them all down, or you can just do two this way, and couple down here. You see how there is a little bit more darkness, and then turn it up, more brightness this way. So that's pretty amazing. Let's look at this close up. This thing is very bright. Let me show it to you when all the flaps are down. And this is what it looks like, overexposing for sure. Wow. And again, you can adjust them, fold them all the way up in case you want to do that. Beautiful, looks like a lantern, right? And again, some of this you can go a little bit sideways. And this is how easy it is to take it off. It is really bright. So for sure, definitely a really cool invention. You see, this is a regular light bulb socket, and it unfolds like this. Looks like a fan light bulb. It's so big, just like a regular old light bulb connector. Make sure the adapter to it, the right voltage and everything. Obviously, don't just plug it in into random one before you check the voltage and everything on the side over here, so that way you don't burn it down. But that's like, everybody knows that, right? So there you go, you can fold it, unfold it. Such a unique spotlight garage light bulb. Really like it a lot. Got it here, vintage lemon press. Check this out. All we have to do is just grab a lemon, cut it in half, put it in, and then put this in right here, and then it's going to press it. Obviously back in the day lemons probably were smaller, but this whole thing made out of metal stayed up. So this is really durable. Wow, no way. Look how much lemon juice there is. We might have to pour some out before we're gonna keep on going squeezing it. Look at that, pressing it so well. And this is just a half a lemon. This has got to be next level apple press over here, juicer. It takes a little bit of time to kind of reset it and spin it. Yes, you gotta go look more. I guess I could take the whole thing out. Wow, look at that lemon, it's squished all the way. Okay, next one, put it in, put the copper in. Yeah, gotta go up a little bit more. Okay, and then squeeze it again. I can't believe this is actually a kitchen gadget. Again, have to hold it like this and squeeze it. Look at all that lemon juice, it's crazy. This is just one lemon. It's a juicy lemon or a really nice juicer over here. Keep on going, spilling a little bit. I think we can do better. Wow, check this out. This is how much juice we can get just from one lemon with this lemon juicer. And it's pretty fast to open it. This is intense. Some things were better than nowadays they make out of plastic. Look at that, there's no lemon left. Let's do 2 lemons, see if we can fill up this little jar with juice. Again, just put it in. Same thing, just put it in, maybe squeeze the lemon a little bit and line it up so it does not hit the metal, and keep on going. When you think it's almost full, you can just lift it like that, pour it in, keep on going. It still makes a lot of mess, but we're talking about juicing over here. Of course it will. And cooking always is a mess. So again, let's see, just 2 lemons, see how much juice we can get. There's nothing left. It's juicing it so well. Okay, one more. Just put it over. Wow, intense. So make sure this gadget is really clean. But yeah, 2 lemons. Look at all that juice. Wow, it's just exploded a little bit. Boom, there you go. A really vintage lemon juicer, but very effective. Still has lots of life in it. Look how much juice we got in just 2 lemons. That's insane. So 2 more lemons will make it full. 4 lemons total will make lots of lumps of lemon juice. So this is amazing. I think I might even use it. And anytime I need a lot of lemon juice, I'll squeeze it with that. I'll probably refurbish it a little bit, make sure it's clean really well. Got it here, another very unique knife by Timberline Tactical ECS, whatever the name of it. Let's open it up, see what it's all about. So first of all, it looks like a folding knife, but it's not, and it's kind of like a miniature knife, and the locking mechanism over here is simply for the holster over here. That's it, or whatever you call it, knife, sheath. You just fold it up like that. So I guess this is a neck knife, or you can also put it onto your belt loop or belt. So this comes out. You can put string and put it over your neck, just so wear it like a jewelry, you know what I'm talking about. So then to let it out, there's this folding mechanism over here. You just press it and take it out. So interesting. There is all the information that you want to know, maybe. I kind of more interested about these mechanisms. So whenever I'm gonna use it, this has a little wiggle room. I know it's not very comfortable, that's for sure, because these grooves are rubbing into my finger a lot. But nevertheless, thought it was so cool, because look at this locking mechanism. You gotta press it to lock it in, press it to unlock it. I know, seems to me it's more of a throwing knife, less so much of like actual utility knife. I mean, I could open boxes with that, but not that many boxes. It's kind of like rubbing on into my finger really bad. This is really pointy over here, don't feel that good. So that's why I say maybe a throwing knife a little bit more useful. But nevertheless, there you go again. But again, this is why I'm showcasing this knife, because it's just so unique. Look at my finger. I was just pushing on it. Look at all these dents on my fingers. It's not fun holding it tight. Got it here, the handy copper. This is a vintage bottle opener, also a copper. There's actually instructions. This side we'll be using to open a bottle, this side to cap it back off. I guess back in the day there wasn't that many twist offs. If you use a big bottle, you'd have to finish it. Okay, let's line it up. Okay, it opens really good. So let's say you pour it in a glass, just like on the instructions, like that. And then whenever you cap it off, half of it, you put the lid back on, and this is kind of nice. It didn't deform the cup that much. So you put it in like this and slide it over and just I guess press it down. That's it. Wow. So obviously second time around, no, it's still tight. I'll have to use a bottle opener to open it again. Pretty awesome. Let's start with another bottle, see how consistent that is. Just pop it open. This time around I did it even better. I didn't even deform the bottle cap as much as the first time. You want to save the bubbles or just keep it fresh and keep it closed so that way the bugs don't go inside there. You just put it over it like that and just push it down. It just locks in so well. Look at that. Still spins a little bit, but I think it's better than nothing. At least you have a little copper on top of it. Again, if you wanna open it, just put this thing in.